Sarah here again today from Tiara Kit Club, and I am playing with the Sunshine Kit add-ons. I have the embellishment add-on, the cardstock add-on, and the pattern paper add-on. I am doing these goofy pictures of my youngest daughter, and I couldn't find my circle cutter for the life of me, so I grabbed my little basket that I have my ribbons and stuff in, and I used that to roughly trace a circle the size that I wanted for my layout, and I'm roughly cutting it out. I am not being precise at all with any of this because I'm just gonna rough it up like I am right now, and then I'll blow my desk off. But yeah, that's the pink, I think that's Pink Fresh Studio right there that I'm using, and I'm going to rough it up really good. I thought I was going to use this pink as my background, but I do decide against it. I do use the pink cardstock. I just don't use it as my full background. And I had to use one of these golden doilies. I thought they were adorable. I'm just going to go through some of the ephemera right now. This is, my brain. These are Echo Park, tags and frames. That's the ephemera pack there. To the right, you see a ton of fussy cut florals that I had cut out of some of the papers. I'm going to make my own tag here to go up behind my pictures. Really, my daughter is just we were at a church function, and she got her face painted like a little cat. She got it just like she wanted, and then she's eating what is left of her snow cone with a spoon. But she had a blast. She's soaking wet because they were also throwing water balloons and all sorts of stuff. So it was really fun. I have some of my other daughter that I have to scrapbook as well. And so that might be my next layout. We'll see. Here I'm starting to grab some of the fussy cut pieces that I had. And I knew I added a layer to the photo. And honestly, it just stays that way. I went ahead and grabbed, some of these Pink Fresh Studio frames from the main kit. I'm just going to use this one. It is not going to stay where I have it right now. And then this is from one of the 12 by 12 sheets of paper that come in the kit. And it says, "You are pure happiness." And it's actually on a cut apart sheet. And I had cut them all apart and had them on my desk. And so I decided to actually fussy cut this out of one of the little squares that was on that cut apart sheet and use it as my title. No, it's not really bold or anything like that, but it's just cute and it kind of blends in, and the pictures are really the focus. Here I'm going through the fussy cut flowers and stuff, and the fact that I cut all these out previous makes this layout go so much faster because this is quite a quick layout. Really just me messing around with stuff, and the fact that I had a show going while I was doing this, it makes it go a little longer. But the fact that I fussy cut so much previously, and I know fussy cutting is not for everybody, it's just something I really enjoy doing. So when I get, the pattern paper add-on and stuff, and I know that I've got multiple of one paper, so I have the option of fussy cutting, I love to be able to do that because it does give me a lot more embellishments. Even though I get the embellishment add-on, I just like flowers a lot of the time. I don't always use them, and I fussy cut things that aren't just flowers as well. I actually have fussy cut out a big old cup that kind of looks like a Stanley cup. I fussy cut that out to use on something else later as well. Not this layout though. Anyways, I am back to going ahead and adding these down. I pulled the tag back but didn't put my photo down until I actually pressed the tags down, but I'm waiting to get both of them where I want them. And then I'm going to add some 3D foam from my stash on this picture. I'm going to go ahead and pop her up a little bit and add that flower. This whole circle area is still up. It's not attached to the layout yet. I'm going to add a little more to the back of the You Are Pure happiness. It's the You Are Pure part of the title. I added some 3D foam too, so it goes ahead and pops up as well. And then I was going to glue the happiness down flat, and then I decided I kind of wanted to use a little more of this yellowy color. I don't know what color it is, but I love it. It's like a yellow green. I don't know. I really like it though. Anyways, I went ahead and added that down just to add some more color or a different color behind the title. I'm going to clip this, and I thought I was going to put it back up there, and I decided against it. And you see, I'm sitting here messing with things, and I'm like, hey, maybe over here. And then I'm like, hey, I don't want to waste this one, so let's put this over here. So yeah, that's kind of what I end up doing with those. I don't know. Sometimes I know I'm doing my voiceover and everything, but sometimes I forget what I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and rough the edges up of this. It says hello, but I'm actually going to cover it up with a chipboard piece, and it says picture perfect. And then these watercolors came from a mixed media add-on months ago, and I'm still using them. But I'm using this gold, and I am adding wild, crazy splatters, some really heavy in some places and everything. And I'm going to go ahead and pick this up and put it away. Impatient that I am, I'm still looking to see if it's going to sit right. And I'm going to go ahead and just glue it down, or well, put the adhesive on the back and press it down. And then these wax seals that you get in the kit are so adorable. This one has like a little daisy on it. And then I grabbed some more of the sequins and I sprinkled them around here and there. And they've got these teeny tiny little pink flowers in it too. So adorable. So yeah, I use those as well. I'm picking up some more that I dropped on my desk, and I'm just kind of sprinkling them onto the layout and then picking the darker ones up and putting them up. And here is where I will go ahead and go in and do the little picky uppy and, stick them all down. I think I leave this all in. It doesn't really take me that long. I did at one point get glue on the end of that piece, and I had to clean it off. But other than that, it doesn't take me long at all to stick these all down. And then I decide I do want to use some of that pink. There's just too much white. I don't go all the way around it though. And I kind of hate how I ended up doing this because I feel like I wasted paper because there's so much behind it. But I like the way it turned out, so I guess it's okay. That's how I'm justifying it. I love the way it turned out, so I'm okay with it. But I have it to where it's just on the right-hand side and the bottom where it shows the pink, and I'm going to rough the edges up even more here in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and add my adhesive, and add this down to the layout, and then I will rough up those edges even more here in just a second. Just curl them back with my fingernails and stuff, So that's what I'm doing here, and I am sorry. I am still trying to get used to these new lights. Couldn't get the light bulbs for my old lights, and so there's still kind of a glare, and it drives me nuts. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and make sure to join in the Facebook group. Links will be below. We'd love to have you there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.